back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys 3 lipstick shades that I like to wear during the summertime. These shades are perfect for the season. They're bright, they're bold, they're vibrant. You can wear them during the daytime, at nighttime. They're perfect for the season. So if you guys want to see these lipstick shades, let's just keep going. Alright guys, so the first lippy that I'm going to show you is called Lady Danger by MAC. So it does have brown residue, as you can tell, on the top, because each time I wear this lipstick I have to apply a brown base on my lips just because it's too bright for my complexion. So I'm going to go ahead and actually do that now. So I like to use the concealer that I use to contour when I'm applying bold lipsticks like this because it balances those colors out. So this is the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Espresso, and I'm just applying that on my lips. Okay, so now I'm going to line my lips with a lip liner. I'm using this red lip liner by Morphe, and I'm just gonna go around my lips.
I saw the city passing by my window.
Alright, so this is Lady Danger. I love this lip color. The first time I applied it, when I purchased it, I noticed that it was just way too vibrant, way too bold. It made my lips look like duck lips, so I had to find an alternative to kind of make it work. And I just apply a brown concealer. You guys can also apply a brown pencil underneath your lips, underneath the lipstick, sorry, to be able to achieve this shade, to get the shade that I just got. Okay, and yeah.
Phone like every other second. My future was blurry and numb, a tunnel where there's no light. Oh, but then you came and sat right next to me. Your eyes, they glowed.
I really like this lipstick because it's one of those lipsticks that you can wear on every outfit in the summertime. It's not going to clash with a lot of outfits. I mean, you can't really go wrong with a red and orange lipstick that's kind of muted like this. It's very versatile. I wear this lipstick a lot, especially at night in the summertime when I'm going on date nights or even just a night out with my friends. I like to wear these kinds of shades of lipstick because they're just very sexy and sultry looking, and like I said, you can't go wrong with a red lipstick. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off and show you guys the next lippy or lip combo. Okay, so the next lipstick that I'm going to show you is another lipstick from MAC, and this is a pink lipstick. It's called Flat Out Fabulous. I love this lipstick. I mean, this is my go-to pink lipstick in the summertime, hands down. And this is how it looks like. Again, it has brown residue on top because I like to put a brown concealer underneath the lipsticks just so it can look more natural. But I also feel like it's one of those that I can go without having to put a brown concealer underneath because it just, I don't know, it just works. But just to feel more comfortable, I like to put a brown concealer underneath, just, you know, so it looks more natural. And then I'm going to apply a pink pencil. This is by Morphe as well. It's a lip liner. I'm going to scar on my lips like this. And this lipstick has a matte finish, so it's great if you're gonna be out and about for a long day. You don't have to worry about having to reapply a lot. This is Flat Out Fabulous. I really love this color. Oh my gosh.
Rubbed off the cold around me. I heard you say that everything is alright, but how did you know how I felt? You saw right through me that day. I was lost in space, but you pulled me down and wiped away those cloudy thoughts. I could see this.
Okay, so so now I'm going to show you the last lip combo, and this is Russian Red by MAC. I love Russian Red. It's the most sexy red out of all the red collections that MAC has ever come up with. I mean, aside from Ruby Woo. It has a little bit of orange undertone, so it kind of has that balance between reds and oranges, which is why I like it so much for the summertime. So I'm going to start off by lining my lips with the red lip liner that I used before. And I like how creamy this lipstick is. And this color is so sexy. Oh my gosh. It's one of those that you want to wear on a first date, you know, like I'm gonna wear this to wow this man and lure him in. It is definitely a must on a first date. It is.
I was lost in space, but you pulled me down and wiped away those cloudy thoughts. I could see the sky when you were close to me. I can't believe.
This is it for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.